To delete an Instagram account from your account list, start by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap the three horizontal bars in the top right corner to open your menu. Scroll down to find the logout option where you'll see a toggle list of all accounts currently logged in under your main account. Choose the accounts you want to log out and confirm by logging out. Once logged out, you'll be taken back to the Instagram login screen where you'll see a list of saved accounts. To manage this list, tap the three dots in the upper right corner. A prompt will appear, allowing you to remove profiles from this device. Find the account you want to remove from the list, tap remove next to it, and confirm by tapping remove again when prompted. This will permanently delete the selected account from your device's saved account list.